All right, let's dive into one of the biggest and, honestly, most confusing topics on the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam, compliance and governance. I'm telling you, this stuff trips up so many people. But don't worry, today we're going to make this super simple. So right off the bat, look at this question. This is exactly what you'll see on the exam. AWS Config, CloudTrail, Artifact, Security Hub. I mean, they all sound kind of the same, right? It's so easy to guess wrong here. But stick with me, and by the end of this, you're going to look at a question like this and just know the answer instantly. And here's why this is so important. We're not just talking about a few questions here. The security and compliance domain makes up 30%. That's almost a third of your entire exam score. So you can't just kind of know this stuff. You have to know it to pass, no joke.
But here's the secret to getting it all straight. It really just boils down to one simple idea. Governance is all about setting the rules. It's you, in your AWS account, saying, this is how we're going to do things. Compliance, well, that's about proving you follow the rules. It's the paperwork, the reports, the evidence that shows you're actually doing what you said you would. That's it. Rules versus proof.
Let me give you an analogy that makes this click. Think about a brand new building. There's a fire code, right? A big book of rules that says you need sprinklers, you need fire exits, you need alarms. That fire code, that's your governance. Now, after the building is built, the fire marshal comes in, does an inspection, and gives you a certificate. That piece of paper, that report that says, yep, you followed the code, that's your compliance. See? One is the rule book, the other is the proof.
Okay, so now that we have that framework, rules versus proof, let's talk about the first piece, governance. We'll look at the tools AWS gives you to actually set and enforce all those rules inside your account.
First up, we have AWS Config. When you hear config, I want you to think of one word, configuration. This service is all about the what. What is the current state of my AWS resources? Is that S3 bucket open to the public? Does this database have encryption turned on? It's like a snapshot, constantly checking to see if your resources are configured the way your rules say they should be.
And then there's AWS CloudTrail. Now, if config is the what, CloudTrail is the who. It's your detective. It logs every single thing that happens in your account. Who launched that server? Who deleted that user? When exactly did they do it? And from what IP address? CloudTrail is the logbook that follows the trail of everything everyone does.
All right, everybody, lean in for this one. This is it. This is the big one. This is the most common trap on the exam when it comes to these services. And if you get this next part, I guarantee you will save yourself from losing easy points.
So imagine the exam asks you this. Who deleted our S3 bucket last Tuesday? Now just stop and think for a second. Is this a question about the bucket's configuration, or is it about a person's action? It's CloudTrail, of course. You're asking who, so you're tracking an action. The trap is picking config. So here's the mnemonic I want you to burn into your brain. CloudTrail follows the trail of users. Config checks the configuration of resources. Just remember that, and you can't get it wrong.
Okay, awesome. We've totally nailed governance, which is all about setting the rules. So now let's flip over to the other side of the coin, compliance. Let's talk about the services you use to generate that proof that you're following the rules.
You know what? Just think of this slide as your exam cheat sheet. Seriously, if a question on the exam mentions needing to download AWS's SOC reports or their agreements, it is always AWS Artifact. If they talk about a centralized view for all your security alerts, you're looking at Security Hub. And if you see words like gathering evidence for an assessment or an audit, that's going to be Audit Manager. Just lock in these keywords.
Okay, let's do a super quick rapid-fire recap. Ready? Governance is the rules. Compliance is the proof. Config checks the what, the state of your resources. CloudTrail tracks the who, the actions of your users. And if you need an official report from AWS, like a SOC report, you go to Artifact. Got it? Simple as that. So there you have it. That's the framework that will help you absolutely crush these questions on the exam. But just for a second, think beyond the test. In the real world, how would you actually use all these tools together to get ready for a security audit? Because that's when this all stops being about an exam and starts being about your career.